All right, everybody, happy 4th of July. Instead of doing Meatless Monday on Monday, we're doing it on 4th of July today because it's a 4th of July recipe. We are actually making the Big Mac sauce from McDonald's, a copycat recipe, but we're making it vegan. And I got this recipe from Cooking with Pam's YouTube channel, so I'm going to link to her recipe down below in the description box to her video. But I got some stuff here for 4th of July. This is so cool. They have these veggie straws that are stars and stripes veggie straws. And we've got our Dave's Killer Bread buns that are vegan, no eggs in those. They are not gluten-free, however, so I've got some gluten-free vegan hot dog buns from Energy. And then we've got our Beyond Burgers to use, which are now 35% less saturated fat and meatier. And then we've got our Beyond Meat brats, original brats that are gonna go in those hot dog buns. So got our vegan meats all ready to grill. But this recipe I got with Cooking with Pam, and I've put everything in there, so let me go through what's in there. It is a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, so we're gonna use Follow Your Heart soy-free Veganese. 1/2 cup is what's in there. Then it's 2 tablespoons of relish. Heinz, everything that Heinz makes is gluten-free. So we've got 2 tablespoons of Heinz relish. Then we've got a 1/2 tablespoon of Primal Kitchen's classic barbecue sauce, which is organic and unsweetened. It is vegan and gluten-free. Got that from Thrive Market. And then we've got our Heinz yellow mustard, again, gluten-free. This one is 1.5 tablespoons. Then we have 1.5 tablespoons of our apple cider vinegar. Then we have 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika, and then 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. So that's what's in here for our Big Mac sauce, copycat recipe, vegan version. So now we're gonna stir it all up. Whee! Got one hand here, so bowl's moving while I'm stirring. And then I'm gonna put it in the fridge until we're ready to use it once we grill up all this stuff we're having for dinner. So easy, look at that. Meatless Monday recipe on Sunday for 4th of July. Big Mac sauce, what? All vegan. Looks good to me. We'll give it a try and let you know how it is.